If Steam Workshop is not downloading your mods, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix, and in this video, I'll walk you through the best steps to get your Workshop downloads working again. We'll cover the most common cause first, then move through a few simple fixes that solve the issue for most players. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy gaming fixes and Steam guides. Let's get into it. First, check your Steam download settings. By default, Steam can pause or delay downloads when you launch a game, which means your mods may look like they're stuck, even though Steam is trying to save bandwidth. Open Steam, go to Settings, then click Downloads. Look for the option that says Allow downloads during gameplay or download while playing, and make sure it's turned on if you want mods to keep downloading while the game is open. If this setting is off, Steam may stop Workshop items from downloading until you fully close the game. Turning this on is a simple first step that often fixes the problem immediately. If that does not solve it, the next step is to clear your download cache. This is one of the most common fixes for Steam Workshop downloads not starting, not finishing, or getting stuck in a loop. To do this, go back to Steam settings, open Downloads again, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will usually restart after this and ask you to log in again. That is completely normal. Once you sign back in, go back to your Workshop page and check whether the mod starts downloading properly. Clearing the cache helps remove broken temporary data that can prevent Steam from pulling new Workshop files. Next, try changing your download region. Sometimes the server closest to you is overloaded, slow, or temporarily having issues. In that case, Steam may struggle to fetch Workshop content even though your internet connection is fine. In Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and find Download Region. Change it to a different nearby city or even another country if needed. After changing it, restart Steam completely and then check the mod again. This can trigger the download to start right away if the original region was congested. If the mod still refuses to download, try forcing a resubscribe. Go to the Workshop item that is having problems and unsubscribe from it first. Wait about 10 seconds so Steam has time to register the change, then resubscribe to the same mod. This often forces Steam to treat it like a fresh request, which can kick off a new download. Sometimes a Workshop item gets stuck in a bad state, and unsubscribing and resubscribing clears that up. After that, give Steam a moment to refresh. Some Workshop downloads do not begin instantly, especially if the client is still syncing your subscription list in the background. If needed, close Steam fully and reopen it. Then check whether the mod appears in your downloads or in the game's Workshop content folder. If it still is not downloading, repeat the cache clear and region change one more time, because those two fixes solve the majority of Workshop issues. A few extra tips can also help. Make sure Steam is fully updated, make sure you have enough storage space on your drive, and check that the game actually supports the Workshop item you subscribe to. If you are running the game, try closing it and watching whether the download starts once the game is no longer open. Since Steam can pause certain downloads during gameplay, that setting matters more than a lot of people realize. So to quickly recap, if Steam Workshop is not downloading mods, start by enabling downloads during gameplay. Then clear your download cache, change your download region, and force a resubscribe to the mod. In most cases, one of those fixes gets everything working again without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick Steam troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.